the Queen's coach. No, the Queen's flying coach ride. Wow.
Hello to you all. Hello, Mrs. Queen. Welcome to my castle. Thank you, Your Majesty. Would you like a little tour? Yes, please. Then off we go. Isn't it marvellous? One does love to fly. I can see everything. Yes, one can see all around. Oh, wave to everyone.
I can see the balloon ride. I can see the duck pond. I can see the camper vans.
Who else can you spot? There's Grampy Rabbit's Sailing Club. Ahoy there, Captain. Hello, Grampy Rabbit. What do you know about buried treasure? Well, I have been to Pirate Island, Your Majesty. Oh, how exciting. Who likes picnics? I do. Could we have a picnic with Gerald Giraffe? Well, we're almost home now. What about a cup of tea and some cake back at my castle instead? Yes, please. Righto. Well, thank you all for coming to see me. Cheerio. Bye-bye, Mrs. Queen.
I like the chandeliers. The carriage. Wait till the carriage comes to restart. Zack, you're on the Dinosaur. You're on George's Dinosaur. Look at him go. Yeah, you're going to go past the volcano now. There he goes. Zacky, hello. Okay, yeah. Stay away from me. Oh, look, it's Mr. Ball. That's your favourite. Here, look, that's his boat. Grandpa Rabbit's boat. There he is, look. There you go. Oh. Here we go. Who can you see? I can see Peppa. Here's Peppa Pig. Wow. Lovely. Oh look, here we go. Here's Peppa with the Queen. Look, she's jumping. Look, they're jumping up and down in muddy puddles. It's amazing. At least we're on opposite sides, Liz, because we'd end up capsizing it, I think. Ah!
That's what the guy said.
Oh, okay. Gonna hit the side again.
Look at all the pumpkins.
It's great, isn't it?
They've really outdone themselves in their pumpkins. They must have spent a fortune.
Zack, I've never seen so many pumpkins.
I've never seen so many pumpkins. First of all, digging up the road.
Flowers, pretty flowers.
Whoa!
There's
so
Mr. Ball.
much to do. There it is. Look, the red flowers. I'm nearly getting my wet bum.
Oh, we're really spinning now, Zack. Spinning loads.
There's grandpa's on the road.
So Zack, tell me who you can see on here. Name all the characters. Who can you see?
There
I
is
can see-
grandpa. Daddy,
There's Zoe Zebra. Yeah.
grandpa.
Who else? There's Peppa. There's George. Who's the rabbit? It's not Mrs. Rabbit. They're twins, are they? The rabbits.
I think the elephant is going through the temple.
There's Richard Rabbit.
And what's the elephant called?
That's
Clever
Rabbit.
clog.
What's the elephant called?
Oh, my clever clog.
Yeah, but what's his
Emily.
name? Edmund. It's Edmund.
Oh.
Edmund Elephant.
It's Emily.
Well, I don't know, but one of them's called Edmund, isn't
Yeah,
it?
that's her brother.
Oh, Edmund is the clever clogs, isn't he? Edmund Elephant is a clever clogs.
Grandpa Pig's asleep on his boat.
Yeah, here we go, Zack, back into the station.
Oh, we're gonna hit.
Uh-oh, we're going to crash. Oh, the bag came off. Is that alright? That's a funny noise, isn't it?
That is a noise, that is, isn't it?
I didn't make the noise. It's Grampy Rabbit. Go stand in front of him. Wow, look at Grampy Rabbit. Who's that? Who's that? Don't know. Zacky Pig and Peppa Pig. Zacky Pig and Peppa Pig. Look, Zack, we're right behind Grandpa Pig. Oh, here we go. He's been wanting the roof one for a while. Finally in the
When
roof
it
one.
rains, we can go in the inside car.
You wanted the inside car.
We've got a car with a roof on. Woohoo!
I think it might rain, Mummy. You can got the roof on.
Gotta steer. Don't want to crash.
No, okay, it's not just like wheels.
These are silly.
Yeah, and that's why it's got the rail.
I thought it was Zoe Zebra at the zebra crossing. Have they changed it? Am I mistaken, Lise?
I don't know actually.
Maybe they've given her a makeover.
We have got Susie Sheep.
Zack, has it always been Susie Sheep or was it Zoe Zebra last time?
Right, let's smile with this camera.
Cheese.
Oh yeah, smile for the camera. Let's get this right this time. I can't see how it's going to be good knowing the roof's in the way.
You saw the engine.
Oh, it's gone red. No, we don't want to go. Oh, that's lucky, Zack. We nearly went for a red light there. Are we going to stop for this zebra crossing? Susie Sheep. Can you press some buttons? Going back to the station.